What's going on, people? Making use of this camera, the Sony A7 Mark II. Yeah, gotta make use of it because it's just sitting around and only used for work. So I'm gonna start vlogging with it. Right now we're gonna go to Easy Price. Once again, we're here at Easy Price, and we haven't been here for a while. Right now we're looking for some ingredients to get some make some cookies and stuff. So yeah. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're here at K&K Long Island. No, not Long Island, Delap. We're looking for some stuff, but we're not seeing any, so say hi.
Hi, my name is Tiny.
Okay, anyway, that's my girl. Follow her on her YouTube. Yeah, we're looking for Nutella. We're not finding any. What's your channel?
Chinica692.
What about yours?
They show us channel and the other name is
Sheshe. Sheshe, like thank you in Chinese, you know? Anyway, we're looking for some stuff, so we're not finding any in K&K Delap. So, yeah. So guys, it's not looking so good for my wife. She needs to come up with a backup plan for tomorrow, so what do you have in mind, babe? She's still camera shy. Puka, say hi to the camera. Say hi. Not look at the camera, say hi. See. Ladies and gentlemen, Stephen Lawyer. Say hi. Ito mo lang. Maybe come on YouTube vlog again. Like Taiwan. Me and this guy were in Taiwan in 2018. One of the best ITs on island. Quality lang mo. Say hi. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we didn't get what we needed, but oh well. Gonna get some nuggets and some juice. Huh?
Nuggets.
Alright, can I have 12 pieces of nuggets? 12 pieces of nuggets. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Maston right here, the top security and his co-worker. Yeah. You get on milk? Yeah, what? Alright. Ladies and gentlemen, this is my boy Creighton. He sells poke. Check him out. You got any information anybody can reach you over? Not now. Not now. Alright, bro. Good to see you. But yeah, next week for sure. Alright, bro. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are back home in Rairak. So that was a little trip right there, and yeah.
With my little and spider.
Alright, see you guys next time.
Bye. See ya.